Let's import the required libraries first: Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Use %matplotlib inline to view the plot in the Jupyter Notebook. Let's create an auto data frame to read the CSV file provided. Let's view the top 5 records using the head method. You can see that the origin is a numeric value, where 1 stands for USA, 2 stands for Europe, and 3 for Asia. Let's create a user-defined function and use the apply method to replace origin value with the corresponding continent value. Let's view the first 30 records using the head method. Let's use a Seaborn pair plot to create a pair plot for the auto dataset MPG, weight, and origin, and view it. You can see the pair plot displayed here. Let's import the required libraries first: Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Use %matplotlib inline to view the plot in Jupyter Notebook. Create 2 lists, one for cause and the other for percentile. Let's use plot properties to set the figure size. Use explode to slice out the largest piece based on the percentile. Use pyplot and pass the required parameters. AutoPCT will embed the percentile value to each slice of the pie. The axis equal method is to draw the pie as a circle. Let's set the title of the plot and display the pie chart. You can see the pie chart displayed with the leading cause of death, chronic diseases, sliced out. Let's now quickly recap what we have learned in the lesson. Data visualization is a technique to present data in a pictorial or graphical format. There are 3 major considerations for data visualization. They are clarity, accuracy, and efficiency. The Matplotlib library is a Python 2D plotting library for data visualization and creation of interactive graphics and plot. A plot is a graphical representation of data, which shows the relationship between two variables or the distribution of data. Subplot is used to display multiple plots in the same window. Seaborn is a Python visualization library based on Matplotlib library. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive statistical graphics. This concludes data visualization in Python using Matplotlib library. The next lesson is web scraping with Beautiful Soup.